Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back with me again. Okay, so this time I'm here at one of the traditional market in Pejang village, we call it, nearby Ubud. Since today I'm taking people to the cooking class, and the cooking class will start from exploring the market. So I will show you the traditional market here, guys, in the Pejang. So basically where Balinese people they come and buy their cooking stuff for daily needs, offerings, like that. Okay, so this is the inside, and in this market you will find many things, guys. Some people selling meat, flowers, desserts also, like here on the right side. This is the meat section. It's not really big. Normally there will be like few of them, but today I have only one left. This is selling pork. And by this time it's not really busy, guys, because normally Balinese people will come earlier than this, around 6 o'clock maybe, because they need to cook and prepare the food before they go to work. And look at this, you can buy also fresh fruits, eggs, and etc. And here, if you're joining the cooking class, so you will meet your guide here at the market, and then you will go around with the guide, and then the guide will explain to you what material they will use for cooking.
We use this, we drink also. Instead of drink, what we use this for? Then you've seen offering a lot on the ground, on the street, right? Or maybe you've seen also offering with and for sure. So we give something. Yeah, this the rice is for eating, yeah? Black rice. But in black rice we don't have this habit for milk. Like this is like for dessert or something sweet, like wine they prepare with. Because this one is medium. Okay? Yeah. Small one is the very hot one. The other one is in our kitchen. So in India you get this right. Yeah. It's a melon. It's a melon. It's like a cucumber, but it's not watery. It's very, very good.
Yeah. For me, this is one of my favorites.
Yeah. This is for the oldest people. This is favorite because this is it's a gone. It's a melon.
Yeah.
Choco or chayo.
Do you like it?
Yeah, in Bahasa we just call them labu
You should
siam.
try it. It's good.
Labu siam.
Yeah.
This is the food.
I rather buy that.
This has soup.
Good money for them.
It's very blunt,
Rather
like,
than
but it's
I also
like a tumor. But in our
and you
soup,
should try
there's a
all
lot
the
of
food
meat.
from tropical countries.
Spice.
Never visit. They are so different than you
The
find in the
food
local
is
city. It's so
what we use
because they
for
follow the different culture.
Okay, so that was actually the presentation from the traditional market from the guide, and after this we will go and see the next presentation, which is the guide will show you where we grow our rice and etc. before we go to the cooking venue. Okay, so let's go and see together. Unfortunately, they have harvest already the rice plantation, so for this time we don't have any presentations about how we grow our rice, but just for your small information that this is how we get our rice. The people will plant the rice here, and they have a lot of process from planting it until they can harvest it. At least they have need to have like 3 months from the planting it until they harvest it, and there are a lot of processes, like they need to plow the soil, give the water, and clean the other grass so that we get good results, guys. Okay, so I'll show you the highlights of the cooking class so that you have an idea what to expect. So this is the venue of the cooking class, and it is located in Pejang village, just very close to Ubud, maybe like 10 to 15 minutes from Ubud, guys. So let's go and see the cooking class.
We get other for the regular we have egg, flour, pandan, juice. We just mix them as a dough like a crepe. Okay? Just plain. So now we put this in the middle inside. So what this we call undi. And we get the spinach and bean sprout that we combining. we call sayur urap. Yeah. Then also tempeh later we cook with sweet soya kecap. This is the kecap manis. Tofu curry with coconut milk. Okay, kecap manis and this one is pandan.
Smell funny, but when you're cooking it, tastes good. It's
Yeah,
like
really.
umami flavor. I love it. Maybe but, yeah. I mean, I have like 200 followers. Yeah, working on it. That's a big thing.
Yeah, well, be careful your this the finger. Okay? This, make sure you remove little bit your knife. And when it's nice also you should all use all the side of the knife.
Okay.
Here, including turmeric, garlic, candle nut, chili, onion, lemongrass, and little bit of pepper. We get coriander seed, black pepper, and white pepper. So later, what we do with this, we grind them as a paste. Use starting from the pepper in the middle. We don't smash it. How you do like this? Crush it. Okay, crush the pepper first. After you bring everything else. Everything else. Crush. Make it nice. So no matter we feel lazy to do this in the kitchen, we just do it in water. Like what you call this water noodle. This is the broth, one pepper. And this in the coconut sauce. Put the bowl again. That is. They are sticky but still dry, not cooked enough yet. Like yeah. Dry. So what we do, we take ginger, chili, garlic, onion, pepper, lemongrass, candle nut together. So what you do, you need to smash it up and down. Good. And a little bit of coconut press.
Yeah,
Coconut.
press.
And then tuna. Instead of tuna, you can use also meat, chicken or pork. Like fried onion. Lilith. This is a Lilith Balinese language. Twisting, and then at the end of the actually meat. I think it's good.
Try to make a big
Smells really nice. Okay.
Okay, so this is what they have cooked. So let's see what they have here. So from here, this is the soup. They have vegetable, balanced spices, of course, carrot, mushrooms, and etc. And here they have white rice. And here, what is this? Wow, it's tofu curry with some soybean cake as well. Looks nice, isn't it? And here they have sweet and sour soybean cake. And what else here? This is satay lilit. It is made from fish, guys, and with some Bali spices that you saw earlier. And they grill it and look like this. And here they have sayur urap, we call it, a mix of vegetables. And this one is pepes. It is made from fish as well, some tofu, eggs. And here is the sambals. This is sambal mata, we call it. It's made from onion, garlic. And this is the dessert. This is we call dadar guling in Bali. It's basically, it has sugar inside and coconut. Okay, so that is the highlights of the cooking class today. I hope you enjoy it and you have an idea maybe what to expect if you like to book this activity. And if you like to do a tour as well, it is good to combine with visit some places in Ubud like Monkey Forest and Rice Terrace and etc. guys. And if you like to book, you can see the video description or you can contact me directly. Okay everyone, that's all for today's video from this cooking class. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to support me by subscribing this channel. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much and bye now.